Hello everybody, welcome to a DCME feature release video. Today we have a small feature release just to make things a little bit more logical and put things in a bit more of a sensible area. The first one we have is a new spot check form. So that can be found under the staff members spot checks. This is an updated spot check form, a lot more comprehensive. We do have the old spot check form still available, and what we need is everybody to export all of their old spot checks that they've completed, because this will be getting removed from the system in the next update in the next few weeks. We've also created a new risk screen, so we've moved everything risk related to one screen. You've got risk levels here, you've got embedded risk assessments, and you can also upload your own risk assessment. In a future release coming soon, you'll be able to also select an option where you can view the risk assessments in the app. So that will be coming soon. You'll be able to see the embedded risk assessments and the uploaded risk assessments. The risk levels currently are the only risks that you can see in the app, but that will be changed soon. We also have we've moved the task templates now to its own screen. So that makes things a little bit more easier to see. So it makes this main screen where you add the service user less congested and more logical. And moving forward, there'll be some other great updates coming. We've also done a few bug fixes, and all the details of what's included in this release you'll be able to see under the release notes here, and they will all show here within the release notes. So that's just a small update for everybody that they'll be able to see now, and should hopefully make things a little bit better for them. And yeah, look forward to more updates in the future. I'd just like to take this time to thank everybody for their custom, and I hope the system is meeting everybody's needs, and we appreciate your feedback. And if you've got any ideas that can further benefit the system, we're always open to hearing what everybody has to say. So thanks again, and look forward to some more great feature releases in the near future. DCME, Domiciliary Care Made Easier.